Welcome to Health IQ Plus, where smart health meets everyday life. Ever looked at your blood report and felt overwhelmed by numbers, arrows, and medical terms? Today, let's learn how to read your blood test like a doctor step by step. First, always check the reference range printed next to each value. This tells you what's considered normal, but remember that normal can vary slightly between labs. Next, look at your complete blood count, which focuses on hemoglobin for anemia, white blood cells for infection or inflammation, and platelets for clotting health. Then move to your blood sugar markers, especially fasting glucose and HbA1c, which reflect short-term and 3-month sugar control. After that, review your lipid profile. Check LDL, HDL, and triglycerides, because heart risk is about patterns, not just one number. Now look at kidney function tests like creatinine and eGFR, which show how well your kidneys are filtering, and liver function tests such as ALT, AST, and bilirubin, which indicate liver health. Pay attention to trends. Your doctors compare current results with previous reports to see patterns over time, not isolated values. Also note any values marked high or low, but don't panic. A slight variation doesn't always mean disease. Context matters, including symptoms, medications, and medical history. Finally, remember that lab reports support diagnosis, they don't replace clinical evaluation. Understanding your numbers empowers you to ask better questions and have more meaningful discussions with your doctor. Because when you understand your report, you're not just reading numbers, you're understanding your health story. Hope this video helped you understand your blood report in a clearer and smarter way. Like, share, and subscribe to Health IQ Plus, your trusted source for clear, science-backed health information. We empower healthier lives through smarter choices. Your health and well-being are our top priority.